Hello there, Scott and Melgren with SkipperBud's up here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our newest boats in. It's a 2023 4-Winds HD3, the outboard version. This one is equipped with a 250 Verado on the back. So it does have that advanced midsection. So a lot smoother, very easy to drive. See in the back on this 4-Winds, nice deep ladder, so very easy to get in and out of the boat. Comes on its own tandem axle trailer that is actually built by 4-Winds, so this boat trailers very well. The trailer is designed specifically for the boat. Has some ratchet straps built in. Go ahead and jump on in the boat. It's a super easy ladder to get in and out of the boat. It does have a ski pylon that would mount right there. Little swing lounge in the back. In the cockpit, do two captain's chairs. Nice little L group seating here. There's storage underneath all of the seats. Big open bow up front here. You can see it squared off, give you tons of room. This boat's in their graphite and gray interior. Nice storage compartment with a ladder for the front as well as anchor storage underneath. Boat does come with a table here. You can see that mounts there and in the front. Boat also comes equipped with a full cover and then a very nice dash. Does have a fish depth finder, and of course, that being the Verado, does have digital controls. Does have a nice head on board and an in-floor storage locker. Nice windscreen as well, so you can shut that while you're driving. It's a little cooler day out. Cup holders built throughout. It does have a bow and transom shower. It's got a pump out for the porta potty. So there you have it. Our 2023 HD3 with an outboard, again 250 Verado. If you have any further questions, like some further information on this or any other boat that SkipperBud's offers, feel free to give us a call at any time. Thank you.